One of the really cool things that they have here at Habitat is a microbrewery. Now, grower fisher chef Andrew Mirosh has done a lot in his life, but I'm not sure that he's ever brewed a beer.
What an amazing setup. Tell me about the beer. What makes it special or unique?
So we base our beer off artesian water, which we get off the property,
Yeah.
which then goes through a few filters, which comes back up to here. We're a wort-based brewery.
The water part is amazing because it makes it unique. It can't be reproduced anywhere else except right here on this property, I guess. So,
Yeah, to a point, like it comes straight out of the ground and straight up to here. And
what sort of styles of beer are you making?
So our 4 staple beers, which are on all year round, are the XPA. We've got a pale, we've got a lager, and we've got a mid lager.
I love it all. Beer is my life.
Yeah.
I got to say, it's the last thing I expected when I came here to find my favourite brewery. Why would you put a microbrewery in here of all places?
I guess the owners love their beer.
Yeah.
They've been doing their tours up and down past this property for years and years and years, and they decided that they wanted to buy it, and they kind of introduced both. So they've got the brewery and also the campground.
What a surprise seeing you guys here. The beers arrive and you two are sitting here waiting for it. Typical.
Mate, come on, mate. You can't have all the fun to yourself.
I do. I'm on my second, so it's good.
How good is this place?
Yeah, fantastic. Look, what a spot.
Wade's always been a bit of a doyen in the tourist space up here, because all the coast has been around for years. He's been doing trips to Fraser Island, but to get this thing on the map here at Lake Catharama, it's absolutely brilliant.
Amazing job. It's got a restaurant, so you can eat here. It's got one of my favourite things, a microbrewery and a bar, and
And that saying that they used to say about you, Andrew, that that you couldn't organise a drink in a brewery.
Yep, I have.
Absolutely not true.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.